Sometimes, let's be real. It's not about cutting lattes. It's about making more damn money. Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to her Worth and Wealth podcast, where we talk about money in a way that feels good and, let's be real, completely life changing. Today, we're rolling up our sleeves and diving into something every boss woman needs: a rock solid money map. You know what I'm talking about. That game plan that takes you from barely making it to absolutely thriving. So let's get one thing straight right out of the gate. Money doesn't just happen for you. Success with money is never an accident. Jim Rohn said this famous phrase, and girl, listen closely. 5 years from now, you'll arrive. But the question is, where? Will you be exactly where you are now, stuck on that financial hamster wheel? Or will you have arrived at a destination you actually designed? Because let's face it, you're either steering the ship or you're getting tossed around by the waves. Now, here's the tea. When it comes to your finances, you cannot just wing it. Hoping, praying, crossing your fingers, that's not a strategy. That's a recipe for staying broke. If you want a better future, you've got to build it, brick by brick. You need a plan, babe. And before we dive into the juicy details of budgeting, let's remind ourselves of something super important. Managing money wisely is powerful. But listen, if your income just isn't cutting it, no amount of budgeting magic is gonna change your life. At some point, you've got to level up. That might mean learning new skills, pivoting your career, or starting that side hustle you've been dreaming about. Because sometimes, let's be real, it's not about cutting lattes. It's about making more damn money. Alright, now let's break it down step by step, because I'm not here to just hype you up. I'm here to give you the roadmap. The first thing, your necessities. We've all got them. Some of us are paying a mortgage, others pay rent. Then there's utilities, food, transportation, medical care, the basics. You know the drill. This is the foundation of your budget. You should aim to allocate about 70% of your income to cover this. That's your survival money. The stuff you must pay to keep life moving smoothly. Got that? Good. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, the remaining 30%. This is where the magic happens. I want you to divide that 30% into 4 powerful sections. First slice, 5%, charity and giving back. Yep, you heard me. We are not just about stacking paper for ourselves over here. Abundance flows best when it's shared. Whether it's supporting a cause you love, helping a family in need, or contributing to your community, make giving a non-negotiable part of your money mindset. Trust me, there is nothing more powerful than becoming a woman who gives from a place of strength. Second slice, 10%, emergency fund. Listen, life can throw curveballs faster than we can blink. Your car breaks down, a medical bill pops up, you lose your job. It happens. That's why we set aside this safety net. It's your peace of mind fund, babe. Aim to build this until you've got at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses stacked. It's the ultimate boss move. Third slice, 10%, investments. Here's where we shift gears from surviving to thriving. Investing is your ticket to long-term wealth. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, retirement accounts, this is where your money starts working for you. And listen closely. You don't need to be an expert from day one, but you do need to start. Your future self is begging you to make those smart moves now. All right, gorgeous. Now, let's talk about something that too many people skip: joy. Listen, what's the point of stacking cash and building your empire if you're too burnt out to enjoy it? Here's your permission slip to live a little, I want you to carve out 5% of your budget just for you. Yep, that's your spa days, your girls' brunch, your solo getaway, your new outfit that makes you feel like a queen. This isn't frivolous. It's essential because when you pour back into yourself, you stay energized, creative, and ready to keep crushing your goals. So don't skimp on this, sis. Make it part of the plan. 5% pure pleasure, guilt free. And hey, let's not forget to revisit that golden rule. If you've got big dreams, and I know you do, budgeting alone won't get you there if your income is capped. Always be thinking, how can I increase my earning power? What new skill can I learn? What bold move can I make next? Because that's the real flex. Being a woman who not only manages her money, but knows how to multiply it. So let's wrap it up with some straight talk. Wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about mindset. It's about intention. It's about waking up every day and choosing to be in control of your financial destiny. No more hoping, no more waiting. It's time to take action, Queen. That's it for today's episode of Her Worth and Wealth podcast. If this fired you up, make sure you subscribe, share it with your girls, and keep showing up for yourself. Because you're worth it all. Catch you next time.